Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. Alright, let's begin. So what we're going to do is actually load up our Amazon account right over here on screen. So we're here on the main page, and what we actually want to do is click on our search at the very top up here, and we actually want to look for Amazon Reload. So you can see right here, I've already searched for it in the past. I like to go with the first option right over here. So from this section here, what you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom over here where you can choose a denomination, or you can go ahead and type in other. And this is where you're going to want to put in the amount that you actually have on that Visa gift card. So what effectively you're doing is taking that Visa gift card and turning it over into an Amazon balance, which then you can use towards anything on Amazon. So let's go ahead and say you actually have 75 on there. You're going to click on buy now. Now from right over here, it's going to obviously show you the total of $75 or equivalent amount in your currency. Do not click on place your order just yet. We want to go ahead and add this Visa gift card in. So what we're going to do is scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see an option here that says payment information. Now I currently have my main credit card account. So what we want to do is tap the little arrow here towards where it says payment method. And from here, it's going to show you a bunch of cards that you have on your account. And towards the very top there, you can see where it says add new. So from here, you're going to be able to go ahead and click on where it says add a credit or debit card. And then from here, you're going to be able to go ahead and plug in the card number, expiration date, the security code, and then the name on the card. Sometimes if the Visa gift card says a gift for you, you can go ahead and put that, or you can actually just put your name. And then once you do that, you can click on add and continue. And from there, you can actually go ahead and complete the purchase, which will then add that money into your gift card balance. So that's basically how you can add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.